Hi, everybody. Welcome to Visual Communication and Media. Welcome to week 4. We're over the halfway point. So we've been talking about a lot about perceptual responses the past few weeks and sensory responses. Now we're going to start getting into the third type, which is technical responses and how important they are over time and how they matter between some of the things that we're focusing on. So that's what we're going to be doing this week, and the different images that trigger positive responses based upon good technical visuals. And that's really going to be our major focus. So this week we're going to focus on responses gathered from features or systems on a digital or technical aspect that people have to interface with or use with. These are systems and visuals that help it make it easier to navigate and understand the systems. And they're going to refer back to the 5 major design roles, which include simplicity, how simple it is, proximity, how things are placed apart each other, clarity, how clear things could be to understand, engagement, if the user can be engaged over time, and then also navigation, how easy it is to navigate across the system. And we have to use visuals in order for people to understand without us teaching them. So that's where the visual design comes into play. Examples of good technical systems over time, over the past few decades, drop-down menus, those are good to really showcase choices, and the little arrow to showcase where it's going to be at. GIFs are a good thing. Graphic image frame. These are great. These are little videos that help it make it more engaging. Highlighting options. This shows where navigation's at and which page you're on or which one you're going to. These are great 3 examples, simple examples of how technical visuals make it easier for people to understand things. And that's what we're going to be focusing on this week, especially with lecture this week. We're going to focus a lot on visual organization principles, Gestalt versus user experience. We're going to talk about aesthetics and their importance, and then visual connectivity and how those relationships bounce between those connective elements. Other than that, that's all I got. So hope to see everybody for lecture tomorrow. It's going to be at 8 p.m. Eastern, 7 p.m. Central, and hope everybody has a good week. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. But other than that, be safe, have fun, enjoy, take it easy. Hope to see everybody for lecture, and keep in mind you have your discussion post, initial post due tomorrow, then your reply post due Saturday. And then I'll go over your assignments tomorrow during lecture. That's it. All right, everybody. Hope to see everybody for lecture. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.